In this video, I'm going to show you how to pay someone using Bitcoin on Cash App. First, open the Cash App on your phone and make sure you're logged into the correct account. From the home screen, tap on the Bitcoin tab, which will take you to your Bitcoin wallet. If you don't have any Bitcoin yet, you'll need to buy some first, but if you already have Bitcoin, you'll see your current balance displayed at the top of the screen along with your recent Bitcoin activity. Next, tap the Send button or the arrow on the right side of your screen to start a new Bitcoin payment. You'll be asked to enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Cash App allows you to toggle between entering the amount in Bitcoin or in USD, which makes it convenient depending on how you prefer to see the value. Once you've entered the amount, tap Next to continue, and the app will guide you to the next step. Now you need to enter the recipient's Bitcoin address. This is the unique address for the person or wallet you're sending Bitcoin to. Be very careful when entering this address because Bitcoin transactions are irreversible, and any mistake could result in the funds being sent to the wrong wallet. If the recipient gave you a QR code, you can also use the scanner within Cash App to automatically capture the address and avoid any errors. After entering or scanning the address, tap Next, and you'll see the order details, including the amount, the recipient address, and the estimated network fee. Cash App gives you the option to choose between a standard fee, which is usually free but may take a little longer to confirm, or a rush fee if you want the transaction to be processed faster. Check all the details carefully, including the amount and the address, before proceeding. Once everything looks correct, tap Confirm, and the app will prompt you to authorize the transaction. Depending on your security settings, this could be Face ID, Touch ID, or your Cash App PIN. After authorizing, the Bitcoin will be sent, and the app will show a confirmation that the transaction has been initiated. You can then monitor the payment in your Activity tab, where all your Bitcoin transactions, including payments, deposits, and withdrawals, are listed. Once the transaction is confirmed on the Bitcoin network, the recipient will receive the funds. And that's it. Paying someone using Bitcoin on Cash App is straightforward once you know the steps.